Hello, I'm Lily from Onward Marine, and I'm here to show you today how to put together your director's chair, the Edge edition. So what we've got here is an unoiled version of our Edge director's chair and the navy cushions. So this will be everything that will arrive when you order and select the colour cushion that you would like. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our base and we're going to make sure that we put our plastic runners into the channels on the base, ensuring that we're putting Velcro side down. We're going to work that onto the base of the chair. So if you work that in gradually onto each side at a time, there we go, and just work that along, and that will go into place. Then we can open up the chair and put the cushion on. So this cushion back is unusual compared to the others, and it has the same runner system that the base does. So again, you can see these channels in the back of the chair here, and you've got the zip on the back. So the zip side down, work that through and on. There we go. There we go. And push that on. There we go. So I'll just show you that there. And you can see that that's worked down into the runners at the back there. Then what we're going to do, just pop your foot to open up the hinges fully. Might take a tiny bit of pressure, especially the first time you do that. And then making sure the label is at the back. I'm just going to pop that on. And ta-da, good to go.